Hola, winter wanderers and escape artists. Who says winter has to be about staying indoors and battling the blues? Today we're embarking on a journey to a land of sunshine, stunning scenery, and a surprising array of winter adventures. Portugal. Forget the frosty forecast and embrace the warmth and wonder of Portugal's ultimate winter escapes. Are you ready to discover a different side of this Iberian gem? Let's go. While Portugal is often associated with sun drenched summers and golden beaches, today we're going to uncover its hidden winter treasures. From the dramatic coastlines battered by Atlantic waves to the snow capped peaks of the Serra da Estrela Mountains, and from the charming historic towns to the cozy interiors, warmed by crackling fireplaces, Portugal offers a diverse range of experiences that will redefine your perception of winter. So, are you ready to trade your winter blues for Portuguese blues and greens and golds? And go from catching some of Europe's biggest waves to skiing down snow covered slopes? From exploring charming towns adorned with festive lights to warming up with hearty cuisine and world class wines? And from soaking in the vibrant culture to discovering hidden gems off the beaten path? Portugal in winter is a land of surprising contrasts and unforgettable experiences. Are you ready to embrace a different kind of winter? Let's begin our adventure. Portugal in winter, beyond the beaches. As you can see, Portugal in winter is a far cry from the stereotypical image of a cold grey European. The temperatures are generally mild, especially in the south. The sun shines brightly for many days, and the crowds of summer have thinned out, leaving you with a more authentic and relaxed experience. Have you ever considered Portugal as a winter destination? While the beaches are still beautiful, winter in Portugal offers a chance to explore a different side of the country. It's a time to discover its rich history, its vibrant culture, its diverse landscapes, and its incredibly welcoming people. It's a time to slow down the flavors of Portuguese cuisine and to embrace a more intimate and authentic travel experience. We're going to explore a range of winter escapes from the adrenaline fueled adventures along the coast to the cozy charm of the historic towns and from the snow covered mountains to the sun drenched Algarve. So buckle up and let's uncover the best of Portugal in winter. What's your typical idea of a perfect winter escape? Is it snow covered mountains, sunny beaches, charming towns, or something else entirely? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Nazare, where giants awaken a surfer's winter paradise. Our first winter escape takes us to the dramatic coastline of Nazare, a small fishing town that has become world famous for its colossal waves. Have you ever witnessed the raw power of the ocean in winter? Nazare in winter is not for the faint of heart. This is where some of the world's biggest waves break, attracting daredevil surfers from across the globe. And watching these athletes challenge them is a truly awe-inspiring spectacle. The awe-inspiring spectacle. What other natural phenomena do you find incredibly powerful and awe-inspiring? Even if you're not a surfer, the energy in Nazare during the big wave season is electric. The town buzzes with excitement, and the viewpoints along the cliffs offer incredible perspectives of the waves crashing against the shore. It's a reminder of the immense power and beauty of the Atlantic Ocean. Have you ever witnessed big wave surfing in person? What was the experience like? Serra de Estrela, Portugal's winter wonderland skiing and snow adventures. Believe it or not, Portugal has a snow-covered mountain range. The Serra de Seo, the highest mountain range in mainland Portugal, transforms into a winter wonderland, offering opportunities for skiing, snowboarding, and other snow-related activities. Were you aware that you can ski in Portugal? The Torre, the highest point in the Serra da Estrela, boasts a ski resort with slopes suitable for all levels, from beginners to experienced skiers. The scenery here is breathtaking, with snow-covered peaks, crisp mountain air, and stunning panoramic views. Beyond skiing, the Serra da Estrela offers opportunities for snowshoeing, hiking in the crisp air, and exploring charming mountain villages. It's a chance to experience a completely different side of Portugal, a world away from the sunny beaches. What are some of your favorite winter mountain activities? Skiing, snowboarding, snowshoeing, or something else? Charming towns aglow, festive spirit, and cozy retreats. Winter in Portugal is also a time to explore its charming historic towns, many of which are beautifully decorated for the festive season. Have you ever experienced the magic of a European town during the Christmas season? From the fairy tale castles of Sintra to the medieval streets of Obidos, and from the vibrant city of Porto to the historic center of Evora, Portugal's towns come alive with festive lights, Christmas markets, and a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Imagine strolling through cobblestone streets, admiring the twinkling lights, sipping hot chocolate in a cozy cafe, and discovering unique Christmas gifts at local markets. It's a chance to immerse yourself in the Portuguese culture and experience the joy of the holiday season. What's your favorite European town to visit during the Christmas season? What makes it so special? A taste of winter warmth, hearty cuisine, and world class wines. Winter in Portugal is also a time to indulge in its hearty and delicious cuisine and its world class wines. Have you ever warmed up with a delicious Portuguese meal and a glass of port wine on a chilly evening? Portuguese cuisine is known for its rich flavors and its use of fresh local ingredients. In winter, you'll find hearty stews, comforting soups, and delicious seafood dishes to warm you from the inside out. And of course, no Portuguese meal is complete without a glass of wine. Portugal is famous for its port wine, a fortified wine that's perfect for sipping by a fireplace on a cold winter evening. But the country also produces a wide range of other excellent wines, from crisp whites to robust reds. It's a culinary journey you won't want to miss. What's your favorite Portuguese dish or wine? Embracing the outdoors, crisp air, and stunning scenery. While Portugal might not be known for its winter hiking, the mild temperatures and the clear, crisp air make it a fantastic time to explore its diverse landscapes on foot. Have you ever hiked in Portugal during the winter months? From the dramatic coastal trails of the Algarve to the lush forests of the north, and from the rolling hills of the Atlântico to the volcanic landscapes of the Azores, Portugal offers a wide range of hiking experiences for all levels. Imagine breathing in the fresh, clean air, admiring the stunning scenery, and enjoying the peace and quiet of nature. It's a chance to escape the crowds and connect with the beauty of the Portuguese countryside. What's your favorite hiking destination in Portugal? A celebration of culture, winter festivals, and events. Winter in Portugal is also a time to experience its vibrant culture through its various festivals and events. Have you ever attended a traditional Portuguese festival? From Christmas celebrations to New Year's Eve festivities, and from religious processions to local markets, Portugal offers a diverse range of cultural experiences throughout the winter months. These festivals are a chance to witness traditional music and dance, to taste local delicacies, and to immerse yourself in the warmth and hospitality of the Portuguese people. It's a cultural immersion you want. What's the most memorable cultural event you've ever attended in Portugal? Beyond the tourist trail discovering hidden gems, while the popular destinations are certainly worth visiting, winter in Portugal is also a fantastic time to explore its hidden gems and off the beaten path locations. Have you ever ventured beyond the typical tourist routes in Portugal? Imagine discovering charming villages where time seems to have stood still, exploring ancient ruins that whisper tales of the past, and stumbling upon breathtaking landscapes that few tourists ever see. These hidden gems offer a more authentic and intimate experience of Portugal, a chance to connect with the local culture and to discover the true heart of the country. What's the most memorable hidden gem you've ever discovered while traveling? Algarve's winter sunshine, a coastal escape, and finally, we can't talk about Portugal in winter without mentioning the Algarve. While it's most popular in the summer, the Algarve offers a fantastic coastal escape during the winter months with mild temperatures, plenty of sunshine, and fewer crowds. Have you ever experienced the Algarve in winter? How? Imagine strolling along the stunning beaches, enjoying the fresh sea air, playing golf on world class courses, and exploring the charming coastal towns. The Algarve in winter offers a more relaxed and authentic experience, a chance to appreciate its natural beauty without the summer crowds. It's a reminder that Portugal offers a diverse range of winter escapes, from the dramatic north to the sunny south and everything in between. What's your favorite beach in the Algarve? So there you have it, a glimpse into the surprising and diverse world of Portugal's ultimate escapes. From the adrenaline fueled adventures along the coast to the cozy charm of the historic towns, and from the snow covered mountains to the sun drenched Algarve, Portugal in winter offers a wealth of experiences that will redefine your perception of the season. It's a time to embrace a different kind of winter, a time to discover the hidden treasures of this Iberian gem, and a time to create unforgettable memories that will last a lifetime. Which of these Portuguese winter escapes has captured your imagination the most? Are you ready to trade your winter blues for a Portuguese adventure? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey to Portugal's ultimate escapes, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration and hidden gem discovery.